Let's learn about Lord Byron today, who is a famous Romantic age poet in English literature. His lifespan is 1788 to 1824. Full name of Lord Byron is George Gordon Byron. He was a poet, politician, and warrior in Greek War of Independence. He fought for Greece and he was a great warrior there. He died at the age of 36 of fever during Greek War. This is the reason he is a national hero in Greece. Okay, he died while he was only 36-year-old and he died due to fever. And he is very famous because he is a national hero of Greece because he fought there for Greek army. It is said that he had physical disformity of clubbed foot. So it is said that he had the deformity of having clubbed foot. He is notorious due to his sexuality. Major works written by Lord Byron are She Walks in Beauty, it is a poem, Darkness poem, There Be None of Beauty's Daughter, The Eve of Waterloo, When We Two Parted, and Thou Art Dead as Young and Fair. These are the poems written by Lord Byron and they are very famous. Other works written by him which are very important: The Two Foscari, it is a historical tragedy written by Lord Byron. Sardanapalus, Marino Falerio. Marino Falerio is also very important work written by Lord Byron. The Prophecy of Dante, Childe Harold's Pilgrimage, Don Juan, The Bride of Abydos, Manfred, The Goyer, Hours of Idleness. It was published in 1807 and first published volume of poetry. First volume was published in 1807 of Hours of Idleness. The Vision of Judgment. So these are all the works which are written by Lord Byron. Now let's discuss his major works. Other works written by Lord Byron are The Prisoner of Chillon, Lara, English Bards and Scotch Reviewers, which was written in 1809 and it was written anonymously. He did not give his name during its publication, so it was written anonymously. Anonymous work is that who the writer of which work is not known to anybody. Next is The Siege of Corinth, The Corsair Kane. Now let's discuss the major works written by Lord Byron. Childe Harold's Pilgrimage. Childe Harold's Pilgrimage was inspired by Byron's wandering. He was a wanderer, he kept on wandering country to country, and it was a sort of biography, autobiography in which he wrote about his wanderings. It uses Spenserian stanzas consisting of 9 lines. It was written in 4 cantos, it means 4 parts. It reveals the story of a young male aristocrat who wanders other countries and have fled from his native place. Later he yearns to go back to his own country. It is said to be autobiographical. Next is Don Juan. Don Juan is a poem. It is an epic which is a satire in its form. It was written in 16 cantos. 17th cantos is unfinished. The story is to satirize a legend named Don Juan, who was a womanizer but easily seduced by, who was not a womanizer but he was easily seduced by women. It was written in 555 pages in total. The Two Foscari is yet another work written by Lord Byron. It is a verse play and it is written in 5 acts. The plot is set in Venice of 15th century. It reveals the true story of the downfall of Doge Francesco Foscari and his son Jacopo. So the two Foscari is about a father and a son's story, and it is based on the true event of Doge Foscari. Next is Manfred. Manfred was published in 1807, written by Lord Byron. It is a dramatic poem. The character of Manfred is a nobleman living in the Alps, tormented by some unknown guilt involving his dead beloved Astarte. He uses his supernatural powers to summon 7 spirits and command them to make him forget his unnamed sin, but they cannot do so, having no power over the past. So, Manfred is a very famous poem written by Lord Byron. It is a very famous poem. It is a dramatic poem. It tells a story of a nobleman. Okay, I have already discussed the story in which a lover um, wants to um, bring some supernatural powers so that he can forget the crime which he had committed, but the spirits cannot make this thing. Next is Marino Falario, which was published in 1821. Marino Falario is written in blank verse and it is a tragedy. It is written in 5 acts. It is a historical tragedy of Marino Falario. Marino Falario is the Doge of Venice. The play is set in Venice in 1355. Marino Falario, recently elected Doge of Venice, offends one of the chief officers of a state, Michael Stano. Stano retaliates by writing on the Doge's throne an indecent libel on Flario's wife. The plot is discovered and Flario is executed. So this is about the story of Marino Flario. Next is Sardanapalus. Sardanapalus is also a historical tragedy in blank verse. It reveals the fall of Assyrian monarchy and its supposed last king. It is a Greek history. The theme is taken from the Greek history. So the major works are written by Lord Byron are Childe Harold's Pilgrimage, Don Juan, The Two Foscari, Manfred, Marino Flario, and Sardanapalus. So this is all about Lord Byron from Romantic Age. Thank you.